Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by meeting essentials and immediately acting. Sign up, verify your email, and add payment info so you get paid. Once done, fill out the brief tax and profile sections and enable two-factor authentication for security. Next, find and read the Scribie style guide so you know formatting rules, then take the qualification test. This first sequence unlocks work fast. Do each step in order to move from sign-up to approved transcriber without delay. Once approved, you check the jobs board and accept files that match your speed and pay expectations. Prioritize shorter files at first to build ratings. After accepting, download the audio and open the provided style guide and template. Apply timestamp rules and verbatim or clean verbatim conventions as required. While transcribing, use a comfortable editor, set playback speed, and apply noise reduction only when allowed. This focus sequence keeps accuracy high and review rejections low. Finish by proofing the transcript for consistency, checking timestamps, and running a spell check, then upload and mark the job complete so you receive credit. Make sure your formatting matches the requested style, because consistent submissions raise your approval rate. If a file is rejected, read the reviewer comments immediately, identify recurring mistakes, punctuation, speaker labels, or timestamps, and fix them before resubmitting. This corrective loop improves your accuracy and unlocks higher-paying files over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.